Hello, friends. You get an extra treat this time because I got some things I've got to repair, and repairing things before they get completely destroyed is better than waiting until they get completely destroyed and buying new ones. Save the planet by repairing things that you already have. So let's get sewing. And I'm going to put you over here, I think. Alright. First thing I gotta do, thread the machine in white. This is one of the sheets from my bed, and the hem is coming undone, so I'm gonna sew it back down so that it doesn't get too badly frayed. I think I'm gonna move you over here so you get a better view of what I'm working on. Real simple repair. Just fold it back the way that it is supposed to be and stitch it down. Alright, trim the threads. There it is. It's that simple. Alright, the second project that I have to do is a little bit more fun. Alright, these lovely brown things here are my husband's work pants. And they have a big hole in them in the butt. And we don't really care that they have paint and caulk on them because they're his work pants and he works in a factory. We just care that, I don't want Sandy to see his underwear. So I specifically keep this pair of jeans around, this old pair of jeans, so that I can use bits of them to fix holes in pants and such. So I'm just going to cut out a piece big enough to put behind that hole. I'm not going to use a pattern or anything, just make sure it's big enough. Hold it up, check, make sure, and move over to the machine. So, again, we're not terribly picky about what these look like, so I could do this in white. Or I could do it in something more fun. Like maybe light blue. Light blue. Alright, so I'm going to use some pins to pin this in place. I'm pinning the patch to the inside, but the pins themselves are on the outside. The patch is on the inside. Be careful not to pin your fingers, as always. Maybe I'll do a video all about like sewing safety. It'd be interesting, wouldn't it? All right, so I'm gonna use a zigzag stitch for this because why not? Because basically this hole is big, okay? There's no way to make it look new again. It's just not gonna happen. So I might as well like hang a lantern on it and make it look nice, okay? Like, look at me, look at my butt. Something like that. My husband's got a nice butt, okay? And let us go have some fun zigzagging around this hole. I use a nice tight zigzag to catch all of the loose threads. Gotta make sure that I don't get the pocket bag stuck in there, because sewing the pocket shut would just negate the whole point of having pants, really. Just a note, I'm using a size 14 needle in my machine for this. Khaki and denim and such can be pretty thick, so you definitely want to use something sturdy. I'm I'm going to go back to plain old straight stitch for a moment, just to do the back tack, which you can't even see, but it's there, holding it in place. So, this is what it looks like on the outside, but I'm not done yet because I do want to stitch down the rest of this fabric on the inside to make sure it's not just flapping in the breeze, you know? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stitch around the pocket, not the pocket, the patch. I'm going to stitch around the patch, but from the outside. I can feel through the fabric where the edge of the patch is, and I go about a quarter from there. Just try to make it look nice. And by nice, I don't mean invisible, okay? Alright, last little bit. Gotta do the back tack. Alright. I gotta say, one thing that I absolutely love about my husband is that he is secure enough in his masculinity to wear something besides black and camouflage. So, this is what it looks like from the outside. And this is what it looks like from the inside. I remind you that I am not going for invisible. Obviously. When you have a hole that big, there is no invisible. The purpose here is to fill the hole so that Michael doesn't get fiberglass in his you-know-where, and so that his coworkers don't see his you-know-what. There. That's what we're going for. All right. That's what it looks like. I'm pleased, and I hope he is too. Y'all have a lovely day.